My dear friends, very good afternoon. This is Commander Sudhir at my YouTube channel Pulse Beat of India. Today I am discussing a very pertinent topic to the private security industry. That is that how the biggest ever medical emergency was felt not only by India but the entire world. There was a need that private security industry has to play a role, and all of a sudden last year, especially in India, when Prime Minister announced a very prolonged lockdown in order to have a fight against COVID-19, then all of a sudden, in all organizations, the security was found to take charge certain things where the COVID protocols are to be enforced. And here, even I, as a chief security officer, having a campus which is spread in near about 7 acres, having 14,000 students and near about 3,000 staff and other faculties, having a full-fledged hospital, dental hospital, was having an enormous responsibilities because there are near about 6 gates those are being used, and the future projects worth near about 400 crores are going on. So there was massive movement of trucks and other things. The campus is having near about 30 to 40 buses and other things, and lot of vehicle at the entry point and exit point, near about 11 hostels and various eateries, and from entire NCR region the students coming, and the students from near about 84 nations. What happens that the security all of a sudden has to enforce these protocols, then our campus was the first one to have thermal scanners, and these thermal scanners, the private security personnel were immediately trained overnight that how to use them, and when they are not giving a proper temperature, then how it could be calibrated back in IT department, and subsequently even the people those are coming to the campus, how they can enforce that they must use Arogya Setu app everywhere, and when UP directives were an additional app has to be loaded. So this was an unprecedented crisis. But what I would like to say, it was an enormous opportunity for the private security industry to adapt, and most of the organizations, most of the security companies have adapted to it, and it is a massive, every crisis brings an opportunity along, and that's where it was a big challenge in front of private security industry. But the way I feel, they have graduated, they have skilled their manpower. It is an additional avenue now in future that private security industry, homeland security industry will be playing a very crucial role in disaster management, any kind of a disaster which is taking place, and especially if the third wave in the future things, those are being anticipated under the climate change. Now here, not only that, at all the places that automatic sanitizers were there, the gloves were used, and security have to enforce very politely that use of mask, and then maintaining social distances. So it was a sort of a behavioral change for the security, and then enforcing such rules and regulations, it was big challenge. So there was a skill training overnight given to them how to use thermal scanners, how to check the people, how without coming in contact they can fill up in form which could go online, that from where they are coming in, are they coming from the contaminant places and containment places, and what sort of a category is there, whether the red or green, and all these, that on which particular date the entry and other things are there, so that it could be traced to the Arogya Setu. This similarly, like how to enforce the people, so that at the entry point they are using the sanitization for their hands or washing their hands, and the cars are being sanitized at the point of entry, and similarly the buses, those are being used. But it was a time when totally the work from home or the education from home was there, and in that only the limited faculties were coming, but the security was there. Ultimately, the private security has become the second line, the most important aspect of the front line warriors against COVID 19, and the private security industry has taken the challenge and fulfilled it very confidently. To hear, not only in future but even presently, when the third wave is anticipated, all the organizations are getting ready even into the future technology. In future technologies like the CCTV cameras, the surveillance systems in a city or in an organization, now they are having video analytics which could give that how much the crowd at one place, how many people are standing nearby, and this surveillance provides them information whether they are using the social distance or having putting on mask. Similarly, even the cameras are having the thermal scanning, and secondly, making the contactless working place where the faculties are coming or the staff is coming or the people employees are coming, that these face recognition systems in access control system played a very vital role. It has become like the converged security solutions, which we used to call the integrated security solution, played an important role. And here this amalgamation of technologies, that is face recognition, automatic number plate readers, and these thermal scanning cameras and thermal scanners, and all these things, and then the software which is running to bring out the efficiency of an organization depending upon certain parameters as per the WHO protocol or Ministry of Health India protocol or UP government health protocols or local administration protocol, and then the organization advisory also. To all these obligations, those were taking place, and then how these things were enforced by the private security, that was a challenge. So I am sure now the private security has enrolled into this amazing opportunity as never before, even in future. Now any kind of disaster management, if proper skilling is given, if proper training is given, then this force must become a very robust force to fight in line with the NDRF or other forces of India, to become a potent force to fight any pandemic or to fight against any disaster or even the man-made disaster. Private security industry is having near about 9 million strong force, and if this strong force by the private security companies and industry is trained properly, if they are trained for the future, if they are trained in technology, if they are trained into the converged security solutions with extra efforts, I am sure it will be a huge plus for the nation. It will be a huge plus for seeking enormous opportunities in diverse areas. So I am sure with this experience of dealing with unprecedented medical emergency or economic emergency, which was brought in by corona all of a sudden and existing from last 1.5 years, the security, private security had a role. It has played a role very confidently, and I am sure even in future will be playing that crucial role. Will not call it second line of warriors, but in association with the front line warriors will prove its worth. So the opportunities are endless, the future is there. You have to play your role with a strategic aim, and then accordingly training your personnel with the same skill which is going to be required. Thank you very much.